Okay, so first off, if you look, you can see that I four-parted the line using both the sheaves right here. Put a 2-block on it so that whenever it's going up all the way, it stops once it hits the sheaves so it doesn't get all bound up inside of the track. I also reinforced the load block right here, as you can see, so it won't fall off as easily now. Then over here, I braced the jib to the boom a little bit better. Whenever I secured it with pins, this one is one of those 3 long pins, and then this right here, there it is. This right here is the end of the load line, the dead end. Alright? And then I flipped that upside down to use it instead, so it actually braces the load line a little bit better. It doesn't move as much now. Okay, and down here, the mast line right here, you see how I have it braced with the trans yellow ones right there? The reason I did that is because it gives me a better boom angle, as well as it's a lot more sturdy and it holds the crane a little bit better. Then I put this big plate on here and then put these on there just for aesthetics so it looks prettier. And then down here you can see where I braced it to the actual rotation bearing. It's not just braced to the frame anymore, it's actually on the rotation bearing. So that now whenever you swing it, you see it doesn't move at all. At least the boom doesn't. The frame is, but the boom isn't. Not independent. And then up here, you can see I put those a little bit longer. And I'll show you why here in a minute. And then I made the counterweight a whole lot bigger. That's why it's actually able to support this weight. I mean, I know that ain't very heavy, but it is to this crane. Alright? And then whenever you go up with it, like this, you can see it slowly going up. And I'll show you why you have that load block on there, or the 2-block. And that's it. You can't go anymore. It won't let you. So that way it doesn't get all bound up inside the rigging, which would be bad in real life scenario. And then I tied it off there so it doesn't slide all the way back down the load line. Okay, then say you want to go up with it. You just push down on this. You got to do it slowly though, because it doesn't really like to do it that much. There we go. You can see how it's bringing it closer and closer. I'm trying to hold the phone and do it at the same time. See how it's straight up and down now? Pretty nifty. Pretty nifty. So there you go.